Welcome to the Manitowoc Garage. Today we're going to talk about throttle pedal calibration on small stand-up national cranes. So to cover the calibration procedure, we're going to be using our simulator we have, and to give you a brief overview of the system and how it works, we have our electronic throttle pedal on the driver side and passenger side operator platform. This pedal transmits a millivolt signal to the HED OMS module, which then transmits a CAN message to the truck ECM and either increases or decreases RPM of the truck depending on how far we have the pedal pressed in crane mode. So how the simulator relates to the crane, we have our OMS LED located on the driver and passenger side operator platform. We have our HED OMS module mounted on the frame of the crane, and we have our programming button. Our programming button is located on the driver's side operator platform right above the override key switch. And through the calibration procedure, you're going to see me use this switch here. This switch allows me to use a single throttle pedal and provide a millivolt signal with just a single throttle pedal. So you'll see me start with the driver's side, calibrate the pedal, and then switch to the passenger side and calibrate the passenger side. So when you're doing the procedure, it's important to do the driver's side first. That is the signal that the HED software is going to be looking for when it's in programming mode. A little bit about the programming button itself. The programming button provides an input to the HED OMS module, and then you get feedback information both from the LED and the OMS alarm, an audible signal from the OMS alarm. The programming button's function changes depending on how long you press and hold the button. So pressing and holding the button for 5 seconds will enter and exit programming mode. At the 5-second mark, you're going to hear a double audible chirp from the OMS alarm. Pressing and holding the button for 3 seconds, but no longer than 5, will select a current menu option or save a setting. So at the 3-second mark, you're going to hear a single audible chirp from the OMS alarm. Pressing the button just once and releasing it will toggle between menu options. So you're going to see me perform all those functions of the programming button as I go through the procedure. The first step to calibrate the electronic throttle pedals is to enter programming mode. To do that, we press and hold the programming button for 5 seconds, and we'll hear a double audible chirp. The light will then flash yellow, and then we'll enter either a flashing red or flashing green menu. To toggle between menus, we press the programming button 1 time. So now we have flashing green. The desired menu option here is going to be flashing green. So to select this menu, we press and hold the programming button for 3 seconds. We'll hear a single audible chirp, and then we'll enter either a double flashing red or double flashing green menu. To toggle between these 2 menus, you press the programming button 1 time. The desired menu we want to enter is double flashing red, so we press the programming button 1 time, and then we press and hold the programming button for 3 seconds to select this menu. Once we do that, the light is going to turn red and then turn yellow. At that point, we cycle the driver's side throttle pedal 3 times. After cycling the pedal 3 times, we press and hold the programming button for 3 seconds to save that setting. The light will flash green and then we'll turn back to solid yellow. At that point, we cycle the passenger side throttle pedal 3 times. And then again, press the programming button for 3 seconds, and that saves the calibration for the passenger side. The light will then flash yellow, and then we'll go to a green flashing light, indicating the calibration has been saved. Next, you simply press and hold the programming button for 5 seconds, and that will exit programming mode. The light will flash yellow and then go back into the normal status of the OMS sensors.
Thanks for checking into Manitowoc Garage. Be sure to tune back in for future videos.
you.